Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another version of King Kong. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2-speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath. And to begin, we're going to draw in the kind of like the eye socket area first. So we're just going to add in pretty much 2 slants, like a mean brow. And then on the ends right here, I'm just going to dip it down. Alright, and then from here we're going to draw the eyeballs inside right here. This eye, just a little half circle right underneath. Makes it look nice and mean. And then from here we're going to continue down onto the nose. So just come right in the middle right here. I'm just going to draw almost like a heart shape, but we're not going to finish up the bottom. So just kind of have 2 little curves going out. And then for the nose inside, just have a little V shape like this. And I'm going to make this a little bit thicker right here for the nostrils. Alright, so from here we're going to continue down onto the mouth. So this part's easy. Just going to give him a big frown here. And then on the bottom for the lower lip, just going to add a little arc. Alright, so now that we have the features, we're going to come around and frame everything up. So let's start right on the nose right here. Just come out and then just come in to the mouth right there. Okay, and then let's see on the bottom, we can finish this off. We'll just kind of bracket down. And then close it off going up. Okay, so that's the mouth area. Let's come back up here, right in the middle. Just follow the slant. I guess this will be the hairline. And then now here, come down. And this will be the cheek area. Just come into right around here. So just curve it in. And let me shade in, I'm gonna add in a little circle and let me shade in the eyeball so that we can see this a little bit clearer. Makes it look nice and mean as well. All right, so once you have this, let's go ahead and finish up the head. So I'm just gonna come out to the side right here. Like a little bracket, just taper it in. I'm gonna close this off a little bit flatter. Now let's come down for the hair. I'm just gonna add a couple of these little zigzags right here on the bottom. Now I'm gonna go all the way here, or you can come down to the middle here first. Just add in a little zigzag like this first. And then now that we have these, we can connect all of them up. Just kind of go around and fill up that space right there. All right, and then lastly for the ear, just come out right on the side of the eye right here. Just keep this simple. Just one little bump. All right, so that's the head, and now let's draw in the body, and we're gonna make it nice and strong. Right on the ear right here. Just have it come out first. Come down. That's gonna be the armpit area. We'll just go in, curve toward the center. Come back to the armpit. Just gonna pinch it in. That's gonna be the hip area. All right, so once we have this, let's go ahead and add in the details inside right here. Just add a little bracket for the chest. Now I'm gonna continue down. Just one big U shape right in the hip area right here. All right, and then we can add in one little line here just to divide up the muscles. Okay, so now we can draw in the arms, and it's gonna be nice and strong. Let's start up here. Just one curve for the shoulder. I'm gonna add one more bump here, and this is gonna be the length of the arm. Come back to the armpit. One little curve. And then we can add in for the fur, again, just kind of zigzag all the way across. Just fill up that space. And then now for the hand. Just one big hook right here for the thumb. Here's the back of the fist. Angle down, and then just kind of hook it right into the thumb. And we can add one little line here to the corner for the other fingers. Okay, so let's draw on the other side. So pretty much the same here. Just one big bump again for the shoulders. One big curve again for the length of the arm. And same thing in here. And again, zigzag all the way across. All right, and then for this one, I'm gonna have the hand in a slightly open position. So I'm just gonna come down, just one little hook like this. And then come in. So that's the thumb, and then here's the back of the hand. And then for the fingers, I'm gonna come down, just round it up, curve back up here. All right, and then one more finger in the back right here. We'll see part of it. All right, so that's the upper body, and now for the legs. So the legs are pretty simple to draw. There's not a lot of details. Come down to the center right here. I'm just gonna add one little line across first. Now I'm gonna come, let's see, we can add in maybe a couple of zigzags like this first, zigzags. Just to make it more like fur. And then I'm gonna draw one curve going down. And then on the inside here, okay, so this is gonna be the knee. And then now for the lower legs, let's start on the inside. Just kind of curve down. And then on this side here, a smaller curve. I'm just gonna stop it about halfway. And then now I'm gonna zigzag for the fur all the way across. Just connect to the bottom. Okay, and now we can join the foot. So for the foot, we'll just keep it simple. We'll start here, just curve down, and then just come across. All right, so same thing here. I'm just gonna curve out, close it off. And then for the toes, we're just gonna add just one little bump there. And that is it for this King Kong. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.